if you want to remove your door card, look around the edges for screws. In my case, I've got one under here, it's a T20 screw, and you need a fitment on your screwdriver. It looks a bit like this. Normally, if you take it out on the side there, mine says T20. I don't know if you can focus. Oh, it does say T20. Basically, just look around the whole door for one of them, see what type of screw it is, and then you also probably have to find a bit of like plastic on it like this. In my case, mine's here. I'll just put my hands underneath it and pull it out towards me. You might need to get some plastic like trim removal tools. I'll put a link to some of those in the description below. But in my case, I've got another in this case it's a T30 screw there and a T30 screw up here. So there's only 3 screws. Don't be frightened by it because it looks difficult, but really it's not. 1 screw there, 2 there, undo those, and then you'll have poppers that go around the edge. You basically just grab hold of the side of the door card and just pull it towards you. And then what you want to do is lift the whole door card up because it sits in a runner at the top here. Once that's done, you'll have to just unhook the door card from the handle. It's normally a little hook, and if you've got electric windows, probably have, then there'd be like a little plastic thing that you unclip, and there's not much more to it than that, to be honest. It's pretty simple. And then it's just reverse procedure to put it back in. Start at the top, tilt the door card towards you a bit and slot the top in near the glass, and then lay it down flush against the door, and then just work your way around pushing all those clips, poppers, what you want to call them, back in place, and then just put those 3 screws back in, and it's that simple really. Hope you like this video. If you do, like and subscribe, and like I said, there's links in the description below for the removal tools. I'll put a link in there for screwdrivers and the plastic trim removal tools. Cool, cheers.